Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Mr.
wabarakatuh.
Johannes and everyone. We are Group H will present about regular examination and past future tense. Performed by Anggit Gunawan, Ade Muhammad Hussein, Ersa Rizky Pepiarini, Mutiara Yolanda, and Feby Idiansyah. Please, Mr. Feby, to present the first. Thank you.
Baik, terima kasih atas kesempatannya. Langsung saja kita mulai dari vocabulary medical equipment. Here is some essential vocabulary for nursing and medical professional about medical equipment. Next. Medical supplies. Antiseptic liquid used to sterilize, clean the surface of the skin. Badgen, eye cloth covering the split over all found to please bleeding, swelling, and infection. Badgen social sort to user to cut badging. Blood pressure monitor, eye tool test measure the force of blood flow does and person's body. Dressing protective cover the place over a wound. Elastic step and this roll of sterilization material the is stick of one slide. Air charge and potter of letter wall and member combination of superior size used to the person airing airing forceps instrument user during operation and medical production assistant and doctor in holding and retrieving. Gauzer, the net material user for dressing wound. Next. Next. Hypodemic needle. Sharp point the metal piece, pierce the skin. Attached to a syringe, user for taking blood or administering medicine. Intervenal effect the post the contain liquid to be pumped in the patient body. Medicine cup, small plastic measure cup. Microscope equipment they make small the after that they are. Otoscope a drip user for looking in an patient air. Oxygen mask equipment the fear over the nose and mouth and supply oxygen. Privacy screen, an object that is used to separate the doctor and patient for order in open room. Skyless, and drive the measure and press on wide. Stethoscope equipment for listening to ask person heck and the loop. Shearing, liquid, shaper piece, They attach to a needle and can be filled with liquid. Table in head rest people. People there is placed on an examining table of head rest to prevent the spread of games. Test tube glass clean there is filled with blood or the liquid and can be kept and placed in strong area. Thermometer, instrument user detect and person body temperature. Vial and small bottle or container user for storing liquid. Next.
Thank you, Mr. Feby. Next will be read by Anggit. Thank you.
Okay. Language focus. Note focus nominal versus verbal sentences. Verbal sentences. Verbal sentences is sentence where the predicate is verb. She likes playing chess. They always studies hard every day. I drank a cup of tea this morning. I positive verbal sentences. This sentence is also called affirmative sentence. We go to school by motorcycle every day. I went to school by bus yesterday. I have three cat kittens. B. Negative verbal sentences. Portable, these sentences is indicated by the use of do, does, did, does not before the verb. I don't like going to school by bus. I didn't go anywhere last weekend. She doesn't look healthy. Next. Next. Next, Mr. Hussein.
Yes. Susah ini nggak kebuka-buka sih.
C. Integrative verbal sentences. The sentence is also called question sentences. It is indicated by the use of do, does, did at the beginning of sentences and is indicated by the use of question mark at the end of sentences. Example, do you like cooking? Does she go to school by bus every day? Did you go somewhere this weekend? Next. Next, Mr. Mr. Hussein. Next.
Yes. Hmm.
Number 2, nominal sentences. Nominal sentences is a sentence that the predicate is not a verb. He, she, it, is, was, atau past tense. I, am, was, past tense. They, we, you, sama dengan are, were, sama dengan past tense. A. Positive nominal sentences. Example, the scenery is beautiful. I'm a nurse in a big hospital. He was so sad after hearing that news. B. Negative nominal sentences. Example, the use of not after to be. He is not a junior high school student. I'm not sure they will come here today. He was not a smart student when we was in elementary school. C. Integrative nominal sentences. Is he a smart student? Are you a nurse in that hospital? Are you sure about what you are talking about? Next.
Thank you, Mr. Anggit.
Okay.
Next slide
Now.
will be ready by Mrs. Ersa. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Ade. Reading a text. Cancer is a class of disease characterized by out of control cell growth. There are over 100 different types of cancer, and each is classified by the type of cell that is initially affected. Cancer harms the body when damaged cells divide uncontrollably to form lumps or masses of tissue called tumors, except in the case of leukemia, where cancer prohibits normal blood function by abnormal cells division in the bloodstream. Tumors can grow and interfere with the digestive, nervous, and circulatory systems, and they can release hormones that alter body function. Tumors that stay in one spot and demonstrate limited growth are generally considered to be benign. Cancer symptoms are quite varied and depend on where the cancer located, where is that spread, and how big the tumor is. Some cancer can be felt or seen through the skin. A lump on the breast or testicle can be an indicator of cancer in those locations. Skin cancer or melanoma is often noted by change in a wart or mole on the skin. Some oral cancer present white patches inside the mouth or white spots in the tongue. Other cancer have symptoms that are less physically apparent. Some brain tumors tend to present symptoms early in the disease as they affect important cognitive function. Pancreas cancer are usually too small to cause symptoms until they cause pain by pushing against nearby nerves or interfere with liver function to cause a yellowing of the skin and ice cold jaundice. Next. Symptoms also can be created as a tumor grows and pushes against organs and blood vessels. Early detection of cancer can greatly improve the odds on successful treatment and survival. Physicians use information from symptoms and several other procedures to diagnose cancer. Imaging techniques such as X-rays, CT scans, MRI scans, PET scans, and ultrasound scans are used regularly in order to detect where a tumor is located and what organs may be affected by it. Doctors may also conduct an endoscopy, which is a procedure that uses in thin tube with a camera and light at one end to look for abnormalities inside the body. Next. Vocabulary. Lumps atau gumpalan atau bengkak pada leher. Tissue artinya jaringan. Digestive, pencernaan atau yang berkaitan dengan pencernaan. Nervous, gelisah atau gugup. Circulatory system, sistem peredaran darah. Benign, lunak, jaringan lunak atau tidak berbahaya. Testicle, biji kemaluan. Wart, kutil. Mole, tai lalat. Patches, potongan kecil di bagian mata. Next. Health, illness, and disease vocabulary. Pain, feeling in your body when you have been hurt or when you are sick. Second, ache, feel a continuous pain. Ill, suffering from an illness or disease or not feeling well or sick. 4, sick, physically or mentally illness. 5, sore, painful and often red because of infection or because of muscle has been used too much. Illness, the state of being physically or mentally. 7, disease, serious illness often caused by infection. 8, heal, become healthy again, or make somebody heal, make somebody feel happy again. Cure, make somebody or something healthy again after an illness or make an illness go away. Treat, give medical care or attention to somebody or something, deal with something or somebody. 11. Treatment, the way or process of curing an illness or injury, making somebody look and feel good, the way of dealing with something or somebody. Next. 12. Diagnose. Define what an illness or cause of a problem is. Injury, harm done to the body, for example, in an accident. Injure, harm somebody or yourself physically, especially in an accident, receive or suffer an injury. Wound, an injury to part of the body, especially one is which a hole is made in the skin. Bruise, a blue, brown, or purple mark on the skin after somebody has fallen. Stretch, rub your skin with your nails, usually because it's stitching, a mark or small cut or injury made by stretching. Infection, illness because a bacteria or a virus or the act or process causing or getting a disease. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Ersa. Next will be read by Mrs. Mutiara. Thank you.
Oke, thank you Kak Husen. Past future tense. Past future tense merupakan tenses yang menjelaskan peristiwa di masa depan dari perspektif masa lalu. Misalnya, I would come to Nina's birthday. Pada would come menerangkan aksi berupa janji untuk datang pada masa lalu yang akan terjadi di masa depan, yaitu ulang tahun Nina. Past future tense dapat digunakan untuk menyatakan suatu kejadian yang akan dilakukan, membuat prediksi, dan membuat janji di masa depan pada saat berada di masa lalu. Next. Rumus past future tense. Past future tense memiliki dua bentuk yang berbeda. Pertama, merupakan bentuk lampau modal shall or will, sehingga penggunaan pada past future tense menjadi should would. Kedua, merupakan bentuk lampau dari kata kerja bantu be, yaitu am, is, are menjadi was, were, dan ditambah going to. Past future tense menggunakan rumus as plus would or should plus verb 1 or as or subject plus was, were plus going to plus verb 1. The formulas positive subject plus should would be going to plus verb 1 plus complement. Negative subject plus should would be going to plus not plus verb 1 and complement. Interrogative, should would be plus subject plus going to plus verb 1 plus complement. Example, I would buy pizza for you. Saya akan membelikan pizza untukmu. Yang negatif, I would not buy pizza for you. Saya tidak akan membelikan pizza untukmu. Interrogatif, would I buy pizza for you? Akankah saya memberikanmu pizza? Next. Penggunaan past future tense menyatakan suatu peristiwa yang akan terjadi pada waktu yang akan sudah terjadi di masa lampau. Contoh, I should go to Semarang last year. Saya akan pergi ke Semarang tahun yang lalu. Yang kedua, menyatakan suatu peristiwa, tindakan, dan perbuatan yang menjadi suatu kebiasaan. Contoh, I would sit here for a long time. Saya akan duduk di sini untuk beberapa waktu. Yang ketiga, menyatakan suatu peristiwa, tindakan, dan perbuatan yang menjadi suatu keharusan. Contoh, we should obey the rules. Kami harus mematuhi peraturan. Next. Time signal. Keterangan waktu. Cara untuk mengetahui kalimat yang sedang dibicarakan menggunakan tenses apa dapat dikenali dengan melihat konteks serta keterangan waktu yang digunakan. Biasanya, past future tense menggunakan keterangan waktu sebagai berikut. Yesterday, kemarin, last week, pekan lalu, last month, bulan lalu, last year, tahun lalu, the next day, keesokan harinya, the day before, sebelum hari ini, the week before, minggu sebelumnya, the month before, bulan sebelumnya. Next.